Welcome to the official audio-video overview for the proposed initial public offering IPO of Pranav Constructions Limited. We are the leading real estate company based on the supply of units and number of completed and under construction MCGM redevelopment projects in the western suburbs. Source: C&W Report. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and the company that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the IPO on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated February 28, 2025, DRHP. Pranav Constructions Limited IPO consists of a fresh issue of equity shares of 10 rupees each up to 3,920 million rupees and an offer for sale of up to 2,856,869 equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each. The offer for sale comprises the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholder and investor selling shareholder in the IPO, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. The company was incorporated on July 31, 2003 and our registered office and corporate office is located in Goregaon West, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. We are the leading real estate company based on the supply of units and number of completed and under construction MCGM redevelopment projects in the western suburbs with a total of 1,503 units and 27 MCGM redevelopment projects completed and under construction. Whereas other developers have 2 to 7 MCGM redevelopment projects, each launched between calendar year 17 to calendar year 24. Source: C&W Report. As of December 31, 2024, our portfolio included 58 redevelopment projects across the MCGM region, comprising 26 completed redevelopment projects with a combined total developable area of 1.25 million square feet. 11 under construction redevelopment projects with combined total developable area of 1.07 million square feet and 21 upcoming redevelopment projects with combined total developable area of 1.87 million square feet. Accordingly, we specialize in pure play redevelopment with operations predominantly focused in the western suburbs of the MCGM region. Our company has ranked first in the MCGM region for having the highest combined supply in MCGM redevelopment projects launched between calendar year 21 and calendar year 24 and ranked fourth in the MCGM region for having the highest supply in MCGM redevelopment projects launched between calendar year 17 and calendar year 24. Source: C&W Report. Our company has a proven track record of timely completion in our completed redevelopment projects with strong execution capabilities and have become a trusted and reliable brand in the western suburbs, resulting in strong brand recall. Source: C&W Report. Investors should note the following important risks. Our redevelopment activities are geographically concentrated in the MCGM region and more specifically the western suburbs, which has accounted for 99.66%, 99.50%, 99.74% and 99.89% of our revenue from operations for 9-month period ended December 31, 2024, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023 and fiscal 2022 respectively. Consequently, we are exposed to risks from varying market conditions, economic, regulatory and other changes, as well as natural disasters in the MCGM region, which in turn may have an adverse effect on our business, results of operations, cash flows and financial condition. An inability to complete our under construction redevelopment projects and upcoming redevelopment projects by their respective expected completion dates or at all could have a material adverse effect on our business, reputation, results of operations and financial condition. If we are not able to sell our redevelopment projects inventory in a timely manner, it may adversely affect our business, results of operations and financial condition. We do not enter into agreements for supply of construction materials for our redevelopment projects. Significant increases in prices or shortage of or delay or disruption in supply of construction materials may result in time and cost overruns and may impact our business prospects, results of operations and financial condition. We depend on a limited number of suppliers for construction materials for our redevelopment projects. Any interruption in the availability of construction materials could adversely impact our business, results of operations and financial condition. Please read the section Risk Factors beginning on page 30 of the DRHP. Promoters of our company are Pranav Kiranashar and Ravi Ramalingam, who hold 63.35% of the pre-offer issued, subscribed and paid up equity share capital of our company. The board of directors of the company consists of 10 directors, 5 of which are independent directors, including 1 woman independent director. As on December 31, 2024 on consolidated basis, our revenue from operations stood at approximately 4,305.89 million rupees, with an operating EBITDA margin of approximately 14.36%. Further, as on December 31, 2024 on consolidated basis, the company registered a profit after tax of approximately 430.45 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 10.00%. Investors are advised to read the DRHP including pages beginning 268 for further information on financials and related information. There are certain outstanding litigation proceedings involving our company and directors, an adverse outcome which may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. Option: any adverse outcome in these may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. Further, there is no outstanding litigation involving our group companies which may have a material impact on our company. Please read outstanding litigations and material developments beginning on page 380 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds of the fresh issue from offer towards funding costs towards obtaining government and statutory approvals, and purchase of additional FSI and cost towards compensation to members towards alternate accommodation and hardship compensation in relation to the development of certain of our under construction redevelopment projects and certain of our upcoming redevelopment projects, and repayment or prepayment in full or in part of certain of our outstanding borrowings availed by our company and general corporate purposes. The offer is being made through the book building process in terms of Regulation 6.2 of the SEBI ICDR regulations, where in terms of Regulation 32.2 of the SEBI ICDR regulations, not less than 75% of the offer shall be available for allocation on a proportionate basis to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, and such portion, the QIB portion. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE Limited and National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Centrum Capital Limited and PNB Investment Services Limited are the book-running lead managers. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated February 28, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoters and selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.